Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to calculate IQR, or the Interquartile Range, in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to calculate Q1 in cell D1, Q3 in cell D2, and the IQR in cell D3. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So what is the IQR? The IQR is simply the difference between Q3 and Q1. So in order to calculate IQR, we're first going to have to determine what Q1 is. So if I click in D1, I'm going to type equals quartile, and then I can see that I'm being returned with a couple different quartile options right here. So I'm going to click on the second one, the .inc. And if I double click, I can now put my arguments in. So the first argument I want to put in is my range of data. So I'm just going to put A2 all the way down to A21. And then I'm going to type a comma. And my next argument is going to be, which quartile am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for the 25th percentile right here. So I'm going to put 1. Close my parentheses and hit enter. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to calculate Q3, except this time I'm going to put the 75th percentile instead of the 25th. So equals quartile.inc with the left parenthesis. And my range of data, again, I'm going to pick A2 all the way down to A21, type a comma. And this time I want the third quartile, the 75th percentile. So I'm going to type a 3 for that, close my parentheses, and hit enter. So that gives me Q1 and Q3. Now to calculate IQR, that's simply Q3 minus Q1. So I'm just going to type in D3 and do equals, click on D2, put a minus sign, and then click on D1 and hit enter. And I can now see that I have successfully calculated the IQR. So we go over this a little bit more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.